So I ordered the wall penetration kit from Starlink. This is the one they sell in their shop or on their store. They have a couple different ones. This one's designed to apparently go through concrete block or brick or wood or whatever. So I assume if you have a house and you're penetrating through the wall, that's what this kit's for. There's a ton of ways to cut through walls and penetrate things and do it without buying a custom kit from Starlink, but I don't think it'll work for the container. It might, but I wanted to pick it up partially because I wanted to see for the 20 bucks or 30 bucks, whatever it is that you're getting, what are they sending you? Because if it's just a big... Wow, wind just blew the door shut. I want to see what they're giving you, because if it's just a piece of plastic, you know, that'd be like, what? Come on, Elon. But actually, it's pretty interesting. They do send you a bunch of tools. So let's open it up and check it out in case you decide you want one.
Shamrock Creek.
Comes with the fancy manual, which I'm sure is very informative. So they actually send you the penetration pieces, so these actually go on each side of the wall. And they actually send you a 1-inch drill bit. It's actually decent quality, like doesn't feel cheap and chunky, but okay. Can always use those. It also comes with this, which is a super long single drill bit for a pilot hole. And then what I thought was really interesting was this is a fishing rod. No, not the kind that catches salmon, but if you'll notice on the end, it's the same kind of, it's a female version of the clip that's on the end of the cable that Dishy uses. So that clips into, you shove this through the hole you drilled, clip the cable in this end, and then you can pull the cable through the wall. That is actually handy. If you've ever pulled cables through walls or penetrations, it can be a real pain in the butt, especially if it's a wall that has, you know, like wood on one side and a big air gap and then drywall. So this is going to be pretty handy, I think. And then there is some wire tie downs for the outside. And lastly, it comes with its tube of silicone. So for whatever it costs, I'll have to look it up again. It's actually not a bad kit. If you aren't a super do-it-yourselfer, or you don't have the parts laying around, or you're not sure how to do it, this is probably the way to go. Everything it needs here, the instructions aren't too shabby, and you could just punch right through, you know, whether it's concrete or, you know, just your standard house wall, siding, and drywall. There are a couple different versions of this out there, I believe, but this was the main one. So anyways, I thought I would share that so anybody that needed it would be able to see it. Super directions. Massive fold out. Shows you how to route it all, how to drill it, the order to do things in. So again, if you're not a do-it-yourselfer much, but you do want to route your Dishy cable somewhere yourself, I mean, the whole concept behind the Starlink thing is that it's super easy to set up and install, and most anybody can do it, so it's pretty much plug and play. So these kits actually make that kind of nice.